Do you think all excavators have to be huge and bulky? You're so wrong. Come and take a look at this mini excavator. It's incredibly adorable. With a compact body and flexible operation, it can smoothly move through narrow spaces. Digging and transporting are no problem for it at all. It can handle garden renovations and small-scale construction projects with ease. It's both practical and interesting, and it's definitely a precious and cute gem in the construction machinery world. Owning it will skyrocket your construction efficiency.